stinging nettle leaf tea can help reduce blood sugar levels. You may have come across stinging nettles at a farmer's market. Who could blame you for passing on the plant? But it does have some possible health advantages. The leaves and stems of the stinging nettle plant are used to make this tea, which is used as a natural cure for a variety of diseases. Urtica dioica is the scientific name for the stinging nettle, which is a perennial flowering plant. Northern Africa, as well as the United States, Canada, Europe, and Asia, are home to this species. This plant frequently returns to the same spot from the previous year. It is used to treat a variety of ailments. Its leaves, in fact, have a wide range of medicinal characteristics and are extremely beneficial. The leaves are sometimes eaten as a cooked vegetable. Its leaves are a rich supply of minerals such as cobalt, chromium, iron, calcium, zinc, magnesium, copper, and silicon, as well as a high source of chlorophyll. The leaves are also high in vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin K, and vitamin D. Nettle tea, which is produced from the plant's leaves, has a wide range of health advantages. This tea can aid in the neutralization of harmful antigens in our systems, as well as being a fantastic immune booster. This plant also contains a significant number of anti-inflammatory compounds that are beneficial to cytokines, which is the most important aspect of the inflammatory process. Many ailments can be helped by drinking this plant's tea, including rhinitis and seasonal allergies, difficult urination, inflammation and joint pain, muscle spasms, high blood sugar and bacterial infections, such as urinary tract infections. Nettle tea can help with a variety of stomach ailments such as nausea, colitis, acid reflux, and gas, which are examples of digestive issues. In addition, the tea will lessen the demand for nighttime urination. However, scientific research into nettle tea is limited. Most studies focus on dried nettle leaves or nettle tinctures.